Everyone, myself Mayur, and today's our topic of discussion is constructor in the Java. So, Java constructors or constructors in Java is a terminology used to construct something in our program. A constructor in Java is a special method that is used to initialize objects. The constructor is called when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values for object attributes. In Java, a constructor is a block of codes similar to the method. It is also called when an instance of the class is created. At the time of calling the constructor, memory for the object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called. How constructors are different from methods in the Java? Constructor must have the same name as the class within which it is defined. It is not necessary for the method in Java. Constructor do not return any type of while methods have the return type or void if does not return any value. Constructors are called only once at the time of the object creation, while methods can be called any number of times. Each time an object is created using a new keyword, at least one constructor is invoked to assign initial values to the data members of the same class. So now the rules for the writing constructor. First one is the constructor of a class must have the same name as the class name in which it resides. A constructor in Java cannot be abstract, final, static, or synchronized. Access modifiers can be used in constructor declaration to control its access. That is, which other class can be called the constructor. Next one, no argument constructor, parameterized constructor, default constructor. First is no argument constructor. A constructor that has no parameter is known as the no argument or a zero argument constructor. If we don't define a constructor in a class, then the compiler creates a constructor for the class. And if we write a constructor with arguments or no arguments, then the compiler does not create a default constructor. Okay, thank you.